The past may have built huge walls around me, but today I choose to step beyond those walls. And luckily, I happen to have a brick wall to demonstrate on. Healing from trauma is hard, and some days it can seem impossible. And words can be very powerful, the words that we hear and the words we speak. Hello, everyone. I'm Mary Ellen, and in this video, we'll use some of those powerful words, some affirmations that are designed to rewire your brain, rebuild your spirit, and remind you of your strength. All you need to do is listen, repeat the words, either out loud or in your mind, and let the words and the message sink in. Okay, let's get started. I am worthy of love, kindness, and healing. Every day I grow stronger and more resilient. I am open to receiving the support I need. Small steps lead to big changes. I give myself permission to let go of pain and embrace peace. Progress happens even when it's not visible. I let go of what no longer serves me. Joy is not lost, it is waiting to be rediscovered. I can learn to relax and feel safe again. Difficult experiences do not determine worth. I am surrounded by love and support even when I don't see it. Healing happens in layers, not all at once. I radiate strength, courage, and resilience. My past does not define me. I am creating a new future. I choose to replace fear with love and hope. Survival is proof of resilience. I release the weight of trauma and invite joy into my life. Breaking cycles is hard, but I can do it. I am learning to trust myself again. My heart is open to love, light, and new beginnings. I am worthy of peace and serenity. Strength exists in every moment, even the difficult ones. I trust the process of healing and transformation. The past does not define the future. I choose to focus on the present and let go of fear. Love, joy, and healing are always within my reach. I have survived 100% of my hardest moments. My experiences have shaped me, but they do not control me. I am reclaiming my peace moment by moment. Every challenge I have faced has made me stronger. I am grateful for the progress I have made. Love, joy, and peace are always within my reach. I release the weight I was never meant to carry. My body, mind, and soul are working together to heal. I believe in my ability to create a peaceful and fulfilling life. Tough days do not erase progress. I am not broken. I am healing, and that is powerful. The future holds possibility, no matter what the past has been. I am stronger than I ever imagined. Progress happens even when it's not visible. I release the weight I was never meant to carry. The past is not the future. I am in control of my emotions and responses. Every day, I grow stronger and more resilient. I am loved, valued, and capable of transformation. Great job. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Healing is not about erasing the past. It's about reclaiming your peace, your strength, and your power. Please return to this practice as often as you'd like. Listen to these words, repeat them, and feel them. Let's all step away from the wall and choose to move forward, release, and heal. Hang in there and know that I care about you.